Ndewonu. No. This is Learning Igbo with High Center channel, and in today's lesson, we'll be talking about daily conversational phrases. Let's get started immediately. Okay, so the first we'll have is door. Door. Do you know what door is called? House door. Okay, house door is called ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ. Okay, ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ. Although some people will just say ụzọ. Okay, but ụzọ has different types. Okay, we have the road where vehicle can pass through, that someone can walk past through. All right, it is also called ụzọ. Main road is called ụzọ. Then the house doors. At your house, you have doors, right, that connect to one room to another. So those ones also, we call them ụzọ. All right. And then inside your compound, the gate, in some compounds, they have fence, right? Their compound is being fenced with a big gate at the center, right? Then that gate that you now use, you pass through and now enter into the person's compound. We'll call it ọnụ ụzọ ámá. Remember, the English name is gate. Then the Igbo name is called ọnụ ụzọ ámá. All right. So we'll have ụzọ, which is the road, main road. We'll have ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ, which is the entrance to the house. Okay, the house doors, connection from one room to the other, the doors. Okay, ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ. And we have ọnụ ụzọ ámá, which is the gate that leads to compound, person's compound. Are we good? Okay, so can you say ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ? Ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ. Okay, and then ọnụ ụzọ ámá. Ọnụ ụzọ ámá. Good. So someone might be telling you to open the door. Open the door. Please open the door. Do you know how to say open the door in Igbo? Open the door. It simply means meghee ụzọ. Meghee ụzọ. Can you say meghee ụzọ? Meghee ụzọ. Say it again. Meghee ụzọ. Why close the door is mechie ụzọ. Mechie. As if we are saying cheese. Mechie ụzọ. Okay? So close the door is mechie ụzọ. Why open the door is meghee ụzọ. Good. Then unlock the door. Remember, close the door and lock the door. There are two different things. The same thing goes to open the door and unlock the door. All right? So close the door is mechie ụzọ, while lock the door is gbachie ụzọ. Can you say gbachie ụzọ? Say it again. Gbachie ụzọ. Excellent. So now, unlock. All right? Unlock the door means gbaghee ụzọ. Gbaghee ụzọ. Remember, closing aspect is mechie, while opening aspect is meghee. That is hair and chie, right? The same thing goes with lock and unlock. Gbaghee and gbachie. Okay? It's just that this one, there is gba. And then this one, there is me. Are you getting it? Meghee, mechie, gbaghee, gbachie. All right? Okay. So can you say now, gbachie ụzọ? Gbachie ụzọ. It means lock the door. What about unlock the door? How do you say unlock the door? Good. So it is called gbahie ụzọ. Alright? Anything lock, gbahie ụzọ. Okay. So relating to our previous lesson that we talked about let me. Okay? Let me. So now how do you say let me close the door? Assuming you are with someone, all right, and you want to close the door, you don't want it open, you want to close, so you are telling the person, please excuse me, let me close the door. So how do you say let me close the door? Using our previous lesson pattern, let me, which I said is what? Come. So now let me close the door should be ka m mechie ụzọ. All right? Ka m mechie ụzọ. I'm coming. Let me close the door. Ana m abịa. Ka m mechie ụzọ. Say it again. Ana m abịa. Ka m mechie ụzọ. Good. What about go and open the door? Someone is knocking kpo, 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 on your door and you're sending your junior one. Okay? Go and open the door. How do you say go and open the door? Gaa meghee ụzọ. Remember, open, meghee, alright? So, go, gaa, gaa, gaa meghee ụzọ. Say it one more time. Gaa meghee ụzọ. I guess we are good with this open, close, lock, and unlock, right? Good. And we said that the house door is called ọnụ ụzọ ụlọ, while the entrance to the compound is called ọnụ ụzọ ámá. Excellent. You are really doing well. This is going to be bringing us to the end of this lesson. I don't want it to be too lengthy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always watching. Please don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more package lessons. See you in our next lesson. Ka emesịa nụ.